Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to delete blank rows on Excel table. Sometimes people would like to delete the blank rows on their Excel table. If they have only a few blank rows, they can easily to delete manually. But there is many blank rows, then how they can delete easily? Let's learn how you can do this. Before enter this video, subscribe our channel for further technology videos. So in my Excel table, I would like to delete the blank rows. If I have some rows, some column also blank. So I would like to delete only for the entire blank rows. So we can easy to find by using Excel formula. So we have to add the column to check. Here we have to add the formula count A. Then you have to select the entire row, hit enter. That's it. So now you can check it out. The 5 column has been entirely filled. So we have to apply this formula to entire row. That's it. So now we have to delete only for the entire blank column, that is called 0. So we have to filter this. So you have to go to filter. Then you have to apply the filter. Here you have to unselect this. Then you have to select only for the 0. That's it. So now you can select this all rows and delete the rows. Then you can select all. That's it. The blank rows has been removed from your Excel table. In this way, you can easy to delete the blank rows on Excel table. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.